Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. My name is Shirra Najwa Bintarin. Today I am presenting together with my friend Nabila Syahira, Salma Nur Aira, and Nasreen Alifia. We will discuss the topic about reducing the environmental impact of crop protection. Let me start with the modern agricultural challenge. Agriculture has enabled human prosperity and longer life, but it inevitably disrupts the natural environment. This is what we call the progress-environment trade-off. The good news is that farmers now use less than one-third of the land they required back in 1961 to produce the same amount of food. This efficiency gain has been supported by advances in biotechnology. According to Joseph in 2021, biotechnology has enabled the development of genetically engineered crop varieties with tolerance to specific herbicides and resistant to pest infestation. The new goal from consumers and the planet is clear: that produce more with less of a trace.
Okay, moving on the next slide. Let's talk about how we actually measure this environmental impact. First, we need to understand the need for protection. They must be guarded against harmful insect, disease, and weeds that compete for vital nutrients and water. Without protection, we simply cannot secure our food supply. But how do we measure the impact of this protection? We use scientific consensus model. They are high-level models endorsed by major global organizations, UNEP and CITEC. So our data is backed by global science. Next, these models work by tracking ingredients. They simulate exactly how much of an active ingredient reaches the air, soil, or water, as well as its long-term effect on our ecosystem. According to research by Joseph in 2021, to fully understand what we are tracking, we should know that crop protection products fall into 5 main categories: herbicide, insecticide, fungicide, seed dressings, and plant growth regulator.
The solution lies in a broad toolbox of innovation, which consists of three key approaches. First, product innovation. Development focuses on advanced seed and traits, biologicals, advanced chemistries, and targeted seed treatments. Second, digital precision. New technologies allow farmers to apply crop protection only when and where they are needed to reducing waste. However, as Pop and Hantos remind us in 2011, although technology holds many keys to long-term food security, developing and testing new varieties or techniques might take 10 years or more before benefits are realized. Third, integrated strategies. Farmers can utilize techniques like crop rotation, cover crops, and pavilions to further minimize the footprint on the land.
Thank you. Now let me share the 30 per 30 commitment from Bayer. First, the current standing. Due to high internal safety standards, Bayer already maintains one of the lowest environmental impact scores in the industry. Second, the 2030 target. Bayer has made a formal commitment to reduce the environmental impact of its crop protection portfolio by 30% by the year 2030. Finally, empowering farmers. The ultimate aim is to enable everyday heroes farmers to provide food and fiber while nourishing the health of the land. Producing more with less of a trace is not just a goal, it is our shared responsibility.